Can trust ever come back after infidelity? It's one of the biggest questions betrayed partners wrestle with. The fear of being hurt again is real. Once trust is broken, it can feel impossible to ever hand over your heart again without fear of it being shattered. Trust isn't automatic, it's earned. To rebuild, it takes three things. First, it takes honesty. No more lies or half-truths. Second, it takes transparency, openness about actions, choices, and communication. Third, it takes consistency over time, not just one grand gesture, but small, steady proof that change is real. And here's what's most important: you get to decide whether to rebuild or not. Trust can return, but you are not obligated to offer it if your heart and safety say otherwise. Trust is possible, but it's always a choice, and it must be earned. Tomorrow, on day 23, we'll take on one of the hardest questions of all: deciding whether to stay or leave.